Hello subscribers, good news today. I got my book sent from the publisher, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. If you want me to do another video, a longer one, about the book itself, then I'm happy to do that. Just write a message in the comments section. Alright, here goes. The book's published by University of Wales Press, and here we are. Letter from the publisher. Revelation and the Apocalypse in Late Medieval Literature. The writings of Julian of Norwich and William Langland. So there we go. At last. The cover image you can see here is detail from the 12th century wall painting in the Church of St Peter and St Paul at Chaldon, Surrey, and it depicts the way of salvation. So you've got the introduction and then 2 chapters on Julian of Norwich, comparison of the Apocalypse and the writings of Julian of Norwich, then orthodox and heterodox currents in her writing, and then 2 chapters on William Langland's Piers Plowman, Langland's Poetics and Personification and Allegorization in Piers Plowman, and then an epilogue. So, yeah, very happy with the layout. Alright, I just wanted to share that moment with you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.